When I started my journey to replace my 9 to 5, I made every mistake in the book. But through trial and error, I discovered a simple way to build a knowledge business that doesn't take years to pay off. In this video, I'm sharing the exact steps I would take if I had to start over in 2025, so you can skip the mistakes and go straight to results. Starting an online business often feels overwhelming. The usual advice doesn't help. Mastering complex skills that take years to perfect. Building a massive following or buying expensive courses. Waiting months or years to see meaningful results. You don't need to trade endless time for uncertain outcomes. And if you want to stay private, there's a way to build a thriving business without showing your face or sacrificing your privacy. Here's the method I use. A proven system that allows you to create a scalable business in just 8 hours a week. By leveraging YouTube and automation, you can achieve consistent income without the typical hurdles. Batch video creation. Produce a week's worth of content in one session using AI tools. Faceless content. Stay anonymous while connecting with your audience. Organic reach. Reach customers without spending a dime on ads. Automated income. Let back-end systems handle sales and leads seamlessly. These opportunities won't last forever, so now is the time to act. Step 1. Research topics that resonate. Use AI to uncover topics your audience cares about. This ensures your content is always relevant and engaging. Step 2. Create videos. Quickly streamline your video creation process. Go from 6 hours to 6 minutes. Focus on long-form videos for consistent, automated income. Step 3. Focus on selling digital products. Instead of relying on ad revenue, sell digital products. These are created once and sold repeatedly without overhead costs. Step 4. Choose your niche. Identify a niche based on your interests, expertise, or market demand. Look for niches with proven demand for digital products. Step 5. Set up your digital product. Create a simple product and upload it to your website. Visitors from your videos explore your site, and a percentage will purchase, generating consistent income. Step 6. Publish consistently. Commit to publishing videos a few hours a week. This consistent effort can lead to thousands in monthly income. Why? This method works. Low effort, high impact, simplify content creation, and automate sales. No ads needed. Build your audience organically. Scalable income. Earn passively while reaching a global audience. Beginner friendly. No need for advanced skills or expensive tools. To help you get started, I've created a free 5-day email course that covers how to choose the best niche, discover niches that align with your interests, how to research topics, learn to identify what people are searching for, how to create a simple digital product, build a product that generates consistent income, how to automate your business, set up a system that works even when you're not involved. Not tech savvy? This method uses simple tools and is beginner friendly. Limited time? Just a few hours a week are needed. Don't want to be on camera? This method is perfect for staying anonymous. Low budget? Start without ads or expensive tools. This method has worked for me and countless others, and it can work for you too. Start now, sign up for the free mini course, and take the first step toward the life you've dreamed of.